Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go in VR. First, you'll need a compatible VR headset, such as a Meta Quest 2 or 3, and a stable internet connection. Next, download and install a specialized third-party application. This app bridges Pokémon Go with your VR environment, translating your phone's GPS data and game actions. Ensure your smartphone has at least 4 GB of RAM. Once the bridging application is installed, it's time to set up your VR experience. Begin by calibrating your VR headset for precise movement tracking. Then, securely link the bridging application to your existing Pokémon Go account. This step is crucial for syncing your game data. Finally, adjust the in-game settings within the VR app to optimize your view and interaction, making the virtual world feel as real as possible. Now for the fun part, immersive gameplay. You'll physically walk around your real-world space, and your avatar will move correspondingly in the virtual Pokémon Go environment. Use your VR controllers to interact with Pokéstops, spin them for items, and precisely aim your Pokéballs to catch Pokémon. Experiencing gym battles and raids from a first-person perspective adds a new dimension, making every encounter feel more engaging and immediate. To ensure a safe and enjoyable experience, always be aware of your physical surroundings while playing in VR to prevent any accidents. It's also wise to take regular breaks to avoid eye strain and potential motion sickness. For those looking for quality gear, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description below for a link to these amazing socks, along with other fantastic deals and resources to enhance your gaming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.